Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to add Instagram following and followers list. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's pretty simple what you have to do. First up, you need to go to Instagram. Once you're inside Instagram, you'll need to be on your account. And right over here, you have to press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you press on them, so it actually depends on what kind of settings are you on. If you're already on public account and you got a professional account, so by professional account I mean if you go to this option right over here which says account type and tools, and here as you can see, it's for me it says switch to professional account. But if your account type is already on professional account and it's saying switch to personal account, you gotta do the switch. First up, you gotta switch it to your account to personal account. Once you do that, once your account is switched to personal account, you just gotta go back, and right over here you'll see the option of account privacy, and here as you can see it's already on private account. Just make sure that private account is turned on and you're good to go after that. So yeah, after that nobody will be able to check your following or followers list. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you soon.